The job description of quality control involves overseeing the procedures and mechanisms that ensure products or services meet established standards of quality, safety, and performance. Quality control (QC) professionals play a vital role in manufacturing, construction, pharmaceuticals, food production, and numerous service sectors. Their primary responsibility is to inspect, test, and evaluate processes and outputs to verify that they align with regulatory requirements, customer expectations, and internal specifications. Quality control is an essential function in any organization that prioritizes consistency and customer satisfaction. Professionals in this field help reduce waste, prevent defects, and support continuous improvement efforts. By identifying flaws and inefficiencies early in production or service delivery, they safeguard brand reputation and reduce costly recalls or rework. QC work can range from hands-on inspection of finished goods to the analysis of statistical data used to monitor performance metrics. Whether employed by factories, laboratories, hospitals, or software firms, quality control personnel form the backbone of any organization's commitment to excellence. They operate at different levels, from frontline technicians who inspect individual items, to supervisors and analysts who develop quality plans and ensure adherence to best practices. Their work often intersects with other departments, including production, engineering, procurement, and compliance. Key responsibilities of quality control professionals. The central responsibility of a quality control professional is to monitor product or service quality at various stages of development and delivery. This begins with reviewing materials, equipment, or procedures to confirm they meet specified input standards. In manufacturing, for instance, raw materials are checked for compliance before they enter the production line. In services, QC may involve evaluating processes such as customer service interactions or software functionality. Inspections are a core function of QC roles. Inspectors use visual checks, measurements, or specialized tools to examine items for physical defects, irregularities, or deviations from approved designs. Depending on the industry, tools may include calipers, micrometers, spectrophotometers, or X-ray machines. These inspections can occur at several points, before, during, or after production, depending on the control strategy in place. In addition to inspections, quality control staff carry out testing procedures that validate product performance. In pharmaceuticals, this might include lab tests for drug potency or contamination. In electronics, it may involve stress testing components under different temperatures or voltages. Detailed records of all tests and inspections are maintained to trace issues back to their source and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. Data analysis is another significant aspect of QC work. Professionals collect performance data and analyze it for patterns that may indicate potential quality issues. Statistical process control, SPC, charts, Six Sigma methodologies, and root cause analysis tools such as fishbone diagrams or the 5 Whys are commonly used to interpret findings and recommend corrective action. Quality control workers are also responsible for reporting non-conformities. If a product or process falls short of quality standards, they document the issue and escalate it for review. They may also be involved in determining whether items should be reworked, scrapped, or accepted with deviation approvals. Clear and accurate documentation is vital in these decisions to ensure traceability and accountability. Training is often part of a quality control professional's duties. They may educate production teams on inspection criteria, safe handling procedures, or compliance with quality standards such as ISO 9001. In some roles, QC personnel help create and update standard operating procedures, SOPs, checklists, and audit tools used by the wider team. Midway through understanding the responsibilities and daily operations, it becomes clear that the job description of quality control is not limited to inspection alone. It encompasses the systematic safeguarding of product or service integrity from start to finish. Essential skills and attributes for success in quality control. To be effective in a quality control role, professionals must have a keen eye for detail. The ability to notice small inconsistencies or deviations is critical, especially in sectors where safety, health, or performance could be impacted by minor flaws. This attention to detail ensures that no defect goes unnoticed and that corrective actions are timely. Analytical thinking is equally important. Quality control personnel often deal with complex systems or multifaceted data, and must be able to identify trends, detect root causes, and propose solutions. An understanding of statistical tools and quality management systems, QMS, is an asset in making informed decisions. Communication skills are essential, as QC professionals must interact with cross-functional teams, prepare detailed reports, and sometimes explain technical information to non-specialists. They need to convey issues clearly and recommend improvements in a constructive and professional manner. Time management and organizational skills help ensure that inspections and audits are performed within production deadlines. Since many organizations operate under tight delivery schedules, quality control must be efficient without compromising thoroughness. Technical competence is also key. Depending on the industry, QC professionals may need to read engineering drawings, operate laboratory instruments, or use quality software systems. Familiarity with tools such as Minitab, SAP, or LIMS, laboratory information management systems, can enhance productivity and precision. Soft skills such as integrity, responsibility, and adaptability round out the ideal profile. Since QC is a gatekeeping function, professionals must be honest and impartial in their assessments. Adaptability is also needed when switching between tasks, learning new procedures, or responding to unexpected quality issues. Work conditions and career opportunities. Quality control work environments vary significantly across industries. In manufacturing and construction, professionals may work on shop floors, in production plants, or outdoors at job sites. In laboratory or food industries, they may operate in sterile environments with strict hygiene requirements. In software and digital services, QC may be conducted entirely on computers in office settings or remotely. The role can be physically demanding depending on the setting. Standing for long periods, working in noisy environments, or handling heavy tools may be required. In lab settings, the use of personal protective equipment, PPE, such as gloves, masks, or lab coats is often necessary. Shift work or overtime may also be common, particularly in 24/7 production operations. Despite the challenges, quality control roles offer a strong career foundation. With experience and advanced training, QC professionals can move into quality assurance, regulatory compliance, process improvement, or managerial positions. Certifications such as Certified Quality Inspector, CQI, Six Sigma Green Belt, or ISO auditor credentials can accelerate career progression. Employers typically seek candidates with a high school diploma for entry-level QC roles, but associate or bachelor's degrees in engineering, chemistry, microbiology, or industrial management are preferred for technical or supervisory roles. On-the-job training is common, but continuous learning is encouraged through workshops, online courses, and certifications. Conclusion: the job description of quality control is rooted in ensuring that every product, service, or output meets its intended standards. This function is not only about identifying flaws but also about preventing them, improving systems, and contributing to a culture of quality. QC professionals serve as the guardians of consistency, customer satisfaction, and operational excellence. In a world where brand trust and consumer safety are more important than ever, the role of quality control continues to expand. From inspecting components on a factory line to analyzing digital outputs in a tech company, these professionals form a critical link in the value chain. Their work not only prevents costly mistakes but also strengthens the foundation for continuous improvement and innovation. For those who enjoy problem-solving, value precision, and take pride in upholding high standards, a career in quality control offers stability, growth, and the opportunity to make a lasting impact across industries.